Hey, it's Bill with Immaculate Paint Protection. So I have Steve back here. So Steve is the winner right now on the leaderboard. He's back with his 2015 Model S. So that is 112,000 miles on it. So Steve, can you tell me why 112,000 miles? It's kind of rare, but what's the story here with the Model S, and why are you back to Immaculate?
Well, it actually got a deer hit last year, and the car had just about 100,000 miles then. So the front end got redone, and I didn't want it to look like that again, because I go to Pittsburgh, I go to Rochester, New York, lots of road stuff, and I just wanted to protect it. And I came here, and my expectations were wildly exceeded. I mean, the detail work, now I'm not an expert on PPF or anything like that, but it just looks, I mean, it looks better when I picked it up from Tesla. It looks beautiful, just above and beyond my expectations. It's phenomenal. It's looking great. I'm gonna try and get about 250,000 miles out of it, and well, sure looks like it could go the distance now.
Awesome. So that's a great question, Steve. So I was hoping maybe you could explain, admittedly, I'm selling paint protection film and ceramic coating. So the objection we get is a lot of times people think, I don't need that, I don't want that. Well, you didn't buy paint protection film when you got the car new. You drove it 100,000 miles. How did the vehicle look after 100,000 miles without paint protection film?
The front was all across here from driving on the highway and behind trucks, chips, pits. It started to look pretty bad. And I mean, I've always kept my cars a long time. And I didn't like the deer hit, but it turned out to be a blessing, it looks like. Because when I picked it up from the body shop, I said, oh yeah, I remember those days when the car looked like that. I'd like to keep it. So I decided let's go do it. My wife just bought her Model Y, and we had hers done fully, everything. I did most of it, not all of it, and I'm just blown away.
Thanks, Steve.
I am just blown away.
Yeah, I think it looks great. I appreciate, as we were talking, we did your wife's car, you came back to us, so thanks. I mean, hopefully you get a 5-star review out of you and your wife. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Steve. Have a great day.
You too.